My name is Dr. Jennine Varhola, and I'm an OBGYN here at the Oregon Clinic. I became a physician because I wanted to make a difference in other people's lives, and I wanted to finish each day knowing that I did something worthwhile. And I absolutely 100% get that from being an OBGYN. I go home and I don't have any question in my mind that I helped somebody, did something worth something. It's just wonderful to like going to work, to like seeing your patients, and to feel like you're doing something worthwhile. So I love doing obstetrics. I love delivering babies, and I love being there for the part in the life of, of the gestational time that you go through. People can have very hard pregnancies, but at the outcome is a beautiful, healthy baby. I just love being part of that with my patients. I do a full spectrum OBGYN. Natural childbirth is absolutely, it's 100% what we try to achieve with everybody. But if you've had a C-section, the main thing is that we have a healthy mom and a healthy baby at the outcome. You don't need your pap smear every year. You don't need to come in every year. That's not true, because we do so much more than just pap smears when you see us, and it has to do with the exam and also talking to you about your symptoms. So it's really important that you come in for your annual GYN visit every year and think of it as a preventative measure. Nothing has to be wrong for you to come in and see us. And I think starting to see a gynecologist when you're 14, 15, 16 is a good plan. You don't necessarily need an exam. It's really just to establish a relationship and conversations, and education is a huge part of it. We offer, birth control if you need it. There's the HPV vaccine that's highly recommended. So I would say first visit is best done before around 16, 17, knowing that you don't have to have a pelvic exam. I moved to Portland because I was vacationing out in a cabin in Mount Hood, and I just fell in love with the area. I was looking for a lifestyle change. I was working on Long Island, and I was just working too much and not having enough time to enjoy life. And Portland and the Northwest has this great philosophy of work-life balance. And when I talk to my Long Island friends and I say work-life balance, they're like, well, what is that? What do you mean? They don't even know, they don't even get the concept. So the fact that it's a well-known concept and it's something that everybody honors and tries to live by here is just wonderful. It's just a much better, healthy living out here, and I just love Portland for so many reasons. I can go on and on about how I love Portland and love being here, and happy that I chose Portland as my place to settle. My guilty pleasure is drinking beer. It's just so not good for you, but I just, I'm so happy about the microbreweries that we have here. One of my favorite places to go is the Mount Hood Brewery. I don't know if anybody knows about it, but after skiing or being up hiking, it's wonderful, and I just love getting their sampler there. I love IPAs, I love amber ales, tend not to like the darker beers, so beer is definitely my guilty pleasure. So I try to drink red wine in lieu of beer for my health.